What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. Hey, connect the dots. A top Ethereum whale has just purchased 91 billion Shiba Inu, y'all. That's billion. So the prominent Ethereum whale purchased a staggering amount of Shiba Inu. Now, usually this is a good sign for us because whales are smart money. We want to follow smart money. One of the easiest ways to trade or make money is by, just following smart money. Instead of trying to beat them, just join them. Recognize the areas where they want to invest, and then you go along for the ride. And that's for my short-term traders or people that are long-term but want to build positions, with the best, entries, or have the opportunity to take some profit. Because I always recommend, none of this is financial advice. I don't give that, but I always recommend having several bags. I have a short-term bag, long-term bag, medium-term bag, and multiple of those bags. So that way you have different opportunities to do different things with those bags. Now, if you had a short-term Shiba Inu bag that you want to possibly take some profits from, what you could do is use this opportunity. Understand, that bag should already been, loaded up, but understand that this whale just entered and he's going to look to make a profit at some point. So this is giving us the heads up that we might see, if he's spending $1.1 million, if he makes a 50% profit, that's 500K. If he makes 100% profit, that's another $1 million on top of what he invested. I'm sure he'll be happy with that. Normally they want to see at least 30%. So that tells me that we might have a 30% pump or better coming in the short-term future. Now, this is just speculation, but this is what we generally see. So I just want y'all to be prepared, be able to have those opportunities to determine what you want to do. Yes, the price could go, only 25%. It might go only 20% because some people may have been held underwater so long that they won't allow it to really run to where it needs to because they're constantly selling. And then you have to also remember, we got people that make money by shorting Shiba Inu as well. So there's a group of investors that not only make money betting that Shiba Inu will go up, but they will short it on the opposite side as well. Or they may just be shorting it just to hope the price, stays suppressed. So good to see that people are confident enough to throw millions of dollars at Shiba Inu. That shows us that we are investing in something, serious. Most coins that you see brand new, starting off, meme coins and things like that, you won't usually see a whale of this size come in and put $1 million in that project. Usually it takes that project some time to build up, but now we see that Shiba Inu is being taken more serious than just as a meme coin. And this should all be a part of helping your confidence. This is what these videos are for. Each video isn't saying, where the price is going to or which new catalyst is coming. It's all meant to serve as, educational purposes, entertainment purposes, whatever you want to call it, but not financial advice. But for those that understand what I'm saying, it's meant to, give us confidence throughout this journey. Keep us updated on things that are taking place, so that way we don't lose sight and we can, basically keep our fingers crossed throughout the journey. But let's keep going with this article. What Baby Whale Stats says, Ethereum whale Blue Whale 0068 just bought 91.956 billion SHIB, worth 1.162 US dollars, ranked 193 on Whale Stats. So this is the 193rd largest Ethereum whale. Think about that. In the top 200 wallets. Crazy if you think about it. That means some of the largest Ethereum investors, the people that have accumulated the most money in the space, are taking Shiba Inu serious, or just looking to make some money off of it. So keep that in mind. Following the recent purchase, Shiba Inu has become the biggest holding by dollar position for the prominent Ethereum whale. So this is his biggest position, or her. Per the data, Blue Whale 0068 now holds a total of $14.1 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens at the time of writing this line. Whale Stats revealed that Blue Whale 0068 is among the prominent whales on the Ethereum network. The whale, which sits at 119th position in the Whale Stats leaderboard, holds a total crypto value of $23.14 million. Aside from Shiba Inu, the Ethereum whale holds ERC20 tokens, including 3.69 million worth of veracity. So not saying anything right there, but connect the dots, man. But that's really good to see, someone sitting with over 20 million in just crypto, investing into Shiba Inu with a decent size of their portfolio, and it's his largest holding as well. So you really want to connect those dots, y'all. So growing adoption of SHIB among whales. The development suggests a growing adoption of Shiba Inu tokens among whale investors as the cryptocurrency edges closer to the debut of its highly anticipated layer 2 network, Shibu. So remember that we do have that catalyst on the horizon. Once this could be one of those buy the rumor, sell the news types of situations where people are preparing themselves for that breakout we're going to see once Shibu beta drops, and then a lot of those people with their short-term wallets or the day trading wallets, they will take profits from those wallets. So keep that in mind also. Different cryptocurrency data providers, including whale stats, have continued to indicate significant whale interest in SHIB. As reported by the Crypto Basic on February 17th, a pseudonymous whale bought over 117 billion units of SHIB, worth 1.53 billion in a single transaction. So I think they meant million right there. These investors are taking advantage of Shiba Inu's low price. Remember, I've been telling y'all that this is a low price. I see Shiba Inu in the near future doubling, sitting at that 2,500 points per coin level, give or take a little bit, but I see that taking place. It's not financial advice, don't have a crystal ball here, but we've been around the block a few times, y'all. This is the area, you know, we had a chance to accumulate in the 9s. We had the chances in the 7s. If you didn't, this is another area you're going to wish that you accumulated. Now, of course, overall market conditions, macroeconomic conditions can pull things back or suppress us a little longer. One quote I like from Warren Buffett is, the markets can remain irrational longer than we can remain solvent. So remember, never put in what you're not willing to lose, so that way you don't become emotional or you don't need to take it out prematurely because you need to use that money for something else. If you do that, if you start putting in more money than you're willing to lose, all this strategizing, all these theories, all that goes right out the window because you're already putting yourself in a bad or losing situation. So these investors are taking advantage of Shiba Inu's low price, accumulating the crypto asset for a discount. It bears mentioning that Shiba Inu is down 5% over the past 7 days following a broader market sell-off. So when the overall market is bleeding, we're going to see Shiba Inu bleed as well, most likely. So while the asset class is currently changing hands at around 1280, the price is still at a discount for investors buying now compared to people who bought when the price was at 1350 and above. There was, when we just broke out to that level, there was people buying at that level. We seen, you know, the market was cool with it at that point before the overall market pulled back. So you know that you're basically getting it at a discount. Whale's interest in Shiba Inu has spiked tremendously ahead of the Shiba Beta's debut. The team behind the L2 network has reiterated that the public beta network will soon be deployed and has continued to make significant progress toward achieving that feat. So earlier today, Shiba Inu's lead developer, Satoshi Kasuma, launched a new portal dedicated to the widespread adoption of Shibarium. According to Kasuma, the portal will be a hub for developers, content creators, job seekers, and business owners. And if you don't know what that portal is, that Shibarium beta intake form, check out the video I did. I dropped a full breakdown video. If you are serious about investing in Shiba Inu and you really want, you know, of course you got to do your own due diligence, but you can of course use my content as a part of your due diligence. Use that video as educational purposes, and then you go on and do more research to make your own decision. But the videos on the channel breaking everything down, every single thing you need to know. So that's all we got for this video right now. Let's check out the price of SHIB, sitting at that 1249 level right now, down 6.7% this week, down 2% on the day. But look at all this blood in the market. Basically everything is bleeding. Overall crypto market cap at $1.07 trillion. Remember, I keep saying pay attention to this number here. This number is low. The all-time high was 3 trillion. Once we start getting at 1.5 trillion, 1.75 trillion, the markets will FOMO, possibly take us to that $2 trillion market cap. Then everybody's going to start wanting to rush back in and, you know, try to, sell the house and basically, you know, hit a home run real quick to try to catch those last gains when you can already be preparing yourself now. 3 courses available. I got my stock options trading course, teach you how to day trade stock options in the stock market Monday through Friday. I got my crypto 101 course, giving you a well-rounded understanding of cryptocurrencies and, you know, how to invest in them, what to look for, you know, things like that. And then we got the technical analysis course, which will break down the charts for you so that way you can understand how to use the indicators and tools to look for best entries, to understand what's likely to happen next, to learn different patterns, to understand what, you know, all these different things that may look confusing to you. We break all that down for you and, you know, actually use it, you know, showing you, you know, how to combine different indicators. You know, okay, if this one says this combined with this, this is what it can mean. If this one says this by itself, or if it's combined with this one, this is what it can mean. You know, we break all that down in a very, very simple to understand format. So reach out to me via email if you're interested, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Follow me on all platforms at DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Hit the like button.